Hi, in this video I'll give an overview of Korean Air's Prestige class service from Seoul to Los Angeles on their Boeing 747, which is scheduled to be an 11.5-hour flight. Prestige is how Korean Air markets their business class product. We start our journey by making our way up to the Prestige Lounge West near Gate 249 in Terminal 2. There is a second Prestige Lounge near Gate 253. Both Prestige Lounges are on the 4th floor, a floor above the main concourse. This is the entrance to Korean Air Prestige Lounge West. The lounge is open daily from 4 a.m. to 12 a.m. Access is complimentary for Prestige class passengers, SkyTeam business class passengers, and travelers with SkyTeam Elite Plus status. Slightly past the check-in counter, there are lockers to store your luggage during your lounge visit. This is the Prestige Lounge West. This is the main area, which is open, well lit, and loosely sectioned off in rings of seating. To the right there is a theater room with 3 TVs covering various golf events. This is a side view of that main area, which gives a better view of the ring of seating. Behind that is the food and drink area, which has various counters of food and a bar. The first counter has salad and vegetables. The second counter has hot dishes. The third counter has fruits and pastries. The counter along the wall has cup ramen, coffee machines, soda fountains, and fruit juices. On the back side of the lounge, there is a second tall circular table with many outlets and stools. Along the wall opposite the entrance is a relaxation room, which has about 10 private booths with lounge chairs and some massage chairs. Other booths have these cots to lay on. Back in the main seating area, there are 2 rows of chairs that overlook the main concourse. The Prestige Lounge has very clean and modern looking bathrooms and individual shower suites. Transitioning to boarding. The Boeing 747 has 2 sections of business class seats. This is the first section, which has 26 seats in a 2-2-2 configuration. Each seat has 75 inches of pitch and is 20 inches wide. The second section of business class seats is upstairs. There are 22 seats on this floor in a 2-2 apex configuration, which is unique because each seat, even the window seats, have direct access to the aisle. These are seats 19H and 19J, 19H being the non-window seat. The Prestige seats have a 17-inch HD touchscreen. Below the screen is a footwell bench. Beside the bench is a literature pocket and an outlet. Adjacent to that is a stowable tray table. The table is dark brown, can slide closer, and rotates 90 degrees, which is interesting. Closer to the seat is the in-flight entertainment remote and a group of seat control buttons. The top 5 buttons control the seat position, and the bottom 2 buttons control the partition between the seats and the reading light. To the right of the remote and under the armrest is a hidden USB-A port. The seat comes with an amenity kit, headphones, blanket, and pillow. Moving over to 19J real quick to show that the window seat has an additional storage space that the inner seat does not have. This is seat 19J. The window seat has a wide side console with a large storage space and access to 4 windows. The window seat has a 17-inch HD touchscreen and a literature pocket. Notice the bench is uncovered and the outlet is to the left below a small counter space. The Prestige class partitions are short by design to create a spacious, open-feeling cabin. The shorter partitions let more natural light reach each seat. I am 5'7", and this is my view of the cabin. This is the seat converted into a 72-inch long lie-flat bed. The bed was comfortable and had enough width to spread out. Prestige class passengers get a pair of indoor slippers. This was filmed in April 2025. Notice the updated Korean Air logo. Prestige class passengers also get an amenity kit made by Graf, which includes a lip balm, hand cream, perfume, a dental kit, and eye mask. This is the Korean Air Prestige class in-flight dining menu. The left page details the first meal service options and the right page for the second meal service. Later pages contain the drink menu, which features a variety of champagnes, wines, cocktails, beers, and soft drinks. The first meal service includes lemon panna cotta with crab meat and asparagus with boiled egg for appetizer, black bean soup, and 4 options for the main course. I chose the beef brisket bibimbap. Dessert was a cheese tray, fruits, nuts, ice cream, and mini cakes. The second meal service includes yogurt, choice between 2 main courses, Korean-style grilled mackerel or scrambled eggs with gravy served with biscuits, seasonal fruit, and bread. I ordered beef bulgogi with glass noodles online in advance. I highly recommend Prestige class passengers to order online in advance as they will have more options. Switching over to the in-flight entertainment, the remote touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through Korean Air's vast collection of movies and TV shows. I was impressed with the selection. Lastly, this is the Prestige class bathroom. Pretty standard airplane bathroom. There is a full-length mirror on the other wall. Overall, I really liked Korean Air's 747 Prestige class flight. The seat and lie-flat bed was comfortable, food was great, entertainment options was plentiful, and flight attendants were kind and helpful. The short seat partition sacrificed some privacy for an open cabin feeling. The 2-2 apex seating configuration was a little odd, and the window seat is definitely superior. Okay, that is all for my overview of Korean Air's Prestige class service from Seoul to Los Angeles. Thanks for joining.